Here I am inside Dynamics in the sales portion. You can tell down at the bottom, I have this open opportunity for a pump jack. So let me click into that. Again, you'll see general information on the opportunity, account, contact. But the things that I want to show you quickly are from the opportunity lines, which of course will be coming from the Oracle CPQ. Again, this one has some properties for me, like say 7 strokes per minute on this pumping unit. But the key thing I wanted to call out is I put in 4 counterweights. So you'll see when I do convert that into a field service work order, that inventory will be reflected there. And so inside the field service, it's important to say kind of what type of blueprint for work order for this pump jack, as far as what type of resources we need to complete for that. So again, once you close this as one, we have this out of the box feature to convert to a work order. Now that we get the message that a new work order was created successfully, do we want to look at it? Yes. So now that we have this work order created, we can see over here to the right, there's multiple requirements because I want multiple people to fulfill that. And I'll show you that in 1 second. Again, some account instructions. Let me switch to the products that I mentioned earlier. So you can see on the products, again, that estimated price came over respecting the discounting we did on the opportunity. But like I mentioned, that counterweight inventory we have 4, along with those other pieces of equipment. And we also, again, what task we want those field personnel to be performing, from a toolbox meeting to actually installing it. And so let's book it. So 3193, that was that new work order we just created. So let's find the right crew. So it did return these resources. Again, the first available day is that 24th, again, starting bright and early. Or, we need a crane and we need a couple field hands. And again, the reason why, right, is Frankie had that proficient pump installation, which is required for this job. So I'm going to say, yep, let's do it as early as we can, book and exit. Now let's just scroll to the 24th here. And we can see it is on all of their schedules with that travel time respected to start at 8 a.m.